So the shogun at that time were basically the main customers in London. So we think.
で、この白いお蕎麦はその将軍に納めたお蕎麦。ホワイトそば。これからこれはい。
So the buckwheat and the wheatはもう it's already mixed here. Explained early like 2 and 1.
堀井さんよかったら一緒に並んでくれるんだけど今ちょうど。
慎重に水を混ぜていかない。ミックスで、ウォーターをミックスしよう。
Oh yeah. Oh. What is also called? This is a soba's.
So I separate out an amount that I can slurp. You dip it in, and then you bring it to your mouth, and then slurp it up.
I've been doing this since I was a kid. Certified slurper.
Yeah, who knows that I'm like me. Wait, just a little one.
If you put your
That's
tongue, it
scary.
goes all over.
で、これはグルタミン酸。グルタミン酸。醤油はグルタミン酸。だからこれを合わせると、美味しさが増す。
So increase the umami for now.
Greatly.
This is a mix of katsubushi that was stewed for I think 45 minutes, and then so that has like all the isonate in it, and then we added a little bit of soy sauce, which has a little bit of the glutamate, so we could see the different chemical reactions in our mouth.
The soba yu and dumping it with your dashi afterwards, and then how it's all the proteins dissolve in the water, so that's why they drink it afterwards. I don't know. I do want to become a noodle master one day, so that would be interesting to like let my customers know It's like, I went to Japan. Did you know the soba you can drink it with your soba sauce afterwards, and it's super good for you. It'll be awesome.